On the 27th of August, the year 2024, published a much-anticipated video comparing the latest Garmin Fenix 8 to its predecessor, the Fenix 7. This comprehensive review has received a lot of attention. The video breaks down the important differences between these two luxury smartwatches, highlighting the innovations and improvements made in the most recent version. By comparing the Fenix 8 to the Fenix 7, the film provides an unusual chance to examine the upgrades that distinguish these two devices. This comparison examines each smartwatch's display size and battery life, as well as novel features such as solar charging and enhanced GPS capabilities. With its in-depth examination, the film is an excellent resource for individuals looking to make an informed selection between these two high-end watches. Larger display and longer battery life. The Garmin Fenix 8 takes a significant leap forward with its expanded display, offering a more engaging and immersive user experience. This larger screen real estate enhances visual clarity, allowing for effortless navigation and data analysis. Whether tracking routes, monitoring performance metrics, or receiving notifications, Fenix 8's larger display ensures a more intuitive and interactive experience. Furthermore, Fenix 8 boasts an impressive extension in battery life, making it an ideal companion for prolonged excursions and expedition. This enhanced endurance enables users to push boundaries, explore new territories, and pursue their passions without the constraint of frequent recharging. With its increased battery life, the Fenix 8 provides unparalleled reliability and freedom, solidifying its position as a premier smartwatch for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. New solar charging feature. The Garmin Fenix 8 introduces a groundbreaking feature, solar charging, empowering users to tap into the sun's energy and prolong battery life. This pioneering technology is a boon for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and adventurers who spend extensive periods under the sun. By harnessing solar power, users can significantly extend their device's battery life, ensuring uninterrupted performance and reliability. This innovative feature is particularly beneficial for those who engage in prolonged outdoor activities, such as hiking, camping, or sailing. With solar charging, the Fenix 8 becomes a self-sustaining companion, capable of replenishing its battery reserves using renewable energy. This eco-friendly feature not only reduces reliance on traditional charging methods, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your device can adapt to your active lifestyle. The Fenix 8's solar charging capability is a testament to Garmin's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. Advanced GPS and GNSS capabilities. The Fenix 8 also features a new dual-band GPS and multi-band GNSS, providing more accurate and reliable location tracking. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who demand precise navigation. The Garmin Fenix 8 represents a substantial evolution in smartwatch design, boasting a suite of cutting-edge features that eclipses its predecessor. This powerhouse device is tailored for high achievers, outdoor enthusiasts, and fitness aficionados seeking a premium wearable experience. Fenix 8's expanded display, prolonged battery life, and innovative solar charging capability converge to create a seamless user experience. Moreover, its advanced GPS and GNSS functionalities ensure precise navigation and tracking, even in challenging environments. With these upgrades, the Fenix 8 is poised to redefine the boundaries of outdoor navigation and fitness tracking. Its unparalleled performance, durability, and eco-friendly design make it an attractive option for those demanding a smartwatch that can keep pace with their active lifestyle. Fenix 8 is more than just an incremental update. It's a revolutionary leap forward in smartwatch technology.